Hey everyone, Jim Reiser, SwimLessonsUniversity.com. I'm here with some young preschoolers in our Swim 101 class. This is our swim class series, and we are going to do an exercise, a little activity to make breath control fun, and it's called Pop Goes the Weasel. And at the end of the song, we're going to practice blowing it out, okay? All right, ready? Let's do Pop Goes the Weasel first. Here we go. Round and round the mulberry bush. Mom takes the weasel. Mom's daughter was all in fun. Weasel. One, blow it out. Two, blow it out. Three, blow it out. Four, blow it out. And five, blow it out. Awesome. Now, this time, would you like to go really fast?
No.
We'll go super fast, and then we'll see if we can do 6 or 7 blow it out.
I like it.
All right, here we go. We're gonna do it in 2s now. Ready? Round. Come on. One, blow it out. Two, blow it out. Three, blow it out. Four, blow it out. Five, blow it out. Six, blow it out. Okay, put your face in this time, Freya. Seven, blow it out. Good. Fantastic. How was that? You got fun? All right. If you found this video helpful, leave your thumbs up and comments below. If you're looking for a step-by-step complete training and certification program, head over to SwimLessonsUniversity.com, where we put the science back into teaching children to swim. In the meantime, if you haven't already done so, click subscribe and turn the notifications button on so you never miss a video when we put one out. And remember, no other sports skill can save a child's life. Give a child a lifetime gift. Teach him or her to swim.